Welcome to the unit. Identify the nature and range of queries of the module attending customer queries. Let's begin. By the end of this module, participants will be able to discuss and demonstrate how to resolve networking/connectivity problems. The first step in troubleshooting is gathering information on the issue, such as an undesired behavior or a lack of expected functionality. The top 10 basic tools that can help you troubleshoot most networking issues are: Ping. This utility is used to provide a basic connectivity test between the requesting host and a destination host. Traceroute. This utility is used to determine more specific information about the path to the destination host, including the route the packet takes and the response time of these intermediate hosts. ipconfig/ifconfig is used to find out the specific IP configuration of the variously affected hosts. The utilities that can be used to find out this IP configuration information include the ipconfig utility on Windows machines and the ifconfig utility on Linux/Unix-based machines. NSLOOKUP. The NSLOOKUP utility can be used to look up the specific IP address associated with a domain name. NetStat. The NetStat utility determines which services on a host that is associated with specific active ports. Subnet and IP Calculator is used to ensure a correct IP address selection. Route. This utility is used to display the current status of the routing table on a host. We have reached the end of this module. Hope you have enjoyed your session.